Okay guys, maaga tayong umuwi ngayon dahil rain off. Grabe ang ulan. So may pupuntahan tayo ngayon sa Port of Spain. Mayroon tayong bibilin. This is about work related materials that we need to purchase today. So medyo traffic dahil may baha kahit saan-saan. So we have to drive it slowly. Drive slowly para safe tayo. Galing tayo sa Grand Bazaar. We buy something in Grand Bazaar. It's almost lunchtime now, guys. Ang hirap mag-travel pag malakas ang ulan, lalo na sa highway. Safety first. So I'm heading now to Port of Spain. By the construction materials. I don't know if they have there and the hardware that the client introduced, and I'm praying of it that they have some. Otherwise it will be a plenty of canvassing about these materials. Medyo ano ng ulan, rainy, so a little bit calmer or subside, but still you have to be careful. Dahil ibang driver, this is Trinidad and Tobago. Drivers here are different compared in the Philippines. They will overtake left and right, so you have to look at your left and side mirror, including your front mirror. So guys, rain off today, that's why we went home early. Now no more rainfall here in Port of Spain. Tuyo na dito. And I'm sure approaching the city, it will be a traffic. I hope it's not. Lang yung speed mo, ako na baka na tingnan ng siyam-siyam. It must be less, more than 120, but the speed limit here is only 100 kilometers per hour, so watch the traffic police not to catch us and fine $1,300 or equivalent to 150 US dollar. Okay guys, we're closer. We are closer to our destination, and it seems that no more rainfall in the city or in Port of Spain. And I hope that the materials for construction that we need to procure is available in the hardware that the client introduced, so that I don't have a headache roaming around and look for the materials. Okay. We are now in Batam Highway. Traffic, it's a place rainfall day that this highway has no traffic, because normally 100%. If rainfall occurred from this highway heading to Port of Spain or Wrightson Road, there will be a heavy traffic. So right now this is calm and pretty cool. There's a big car, a big lorry truck. So guys, we are now in Wrightson Road. From Batam Highway, after the bridge is Wrightson Road. But still the traffic still passable. Now guys, We're now close to the Independence Square, which is the main center of the Port of Spain. Wow. Lolo, striving hard to get money, to earn money, begging to earn money. I don't know, I have cash here. Sorry guys, let's go now so I can give money to Lolo. Okay guys, you see the tower, that is Ministry of Finance, and at the back of the tower is the Hyatt Hotel. So we are here in the Port of Spain. That's all for today guys, and thank you for watching.